When I present at an association event, a conference, or an in-house workshop, one of the common questions that I ask people are, what do you do if you don't know the answer to the question? What if you don't know how to do something? What is it that you do? One of the most common answers that I get is, we just Google it. I say we should stop Googling. I think we should stop Googling answers to our questions on how to do things with technology. Do you want to know why? Because every time I go to Google a question, first I need to work out how the wording of the question would be put in a way that Google can understand. I put my data in and up pops over 1 million choices of different ideas and options. I've got to make some decisions and work my way through the relevant options, and a lot of them aren't really specific, or definitely aren't specific or relevant to my environment. On the off chance I am able to grasp what it is I need, I then need to work out how that applies to what I'm actually doing at the moment. Need to get past the cat videos on YouTube, and right, who doesn't love those, and go back to what I was doing and apply it. And reality is, for me, I tick a box. I wouldn't necessarily go and tell my colleague, hey John, guess what I just found out? You're not encouraged to do that. I just tick the box and get on with what I'm doing. So what happens when John needs to know how to do that? The same thing that I needed to know how to do. He'll go to Google, he'll go through exactly the same process, and he'll lose between 5 to 45 minutes trying to find his answer. And the problem is replicated throughout an organisation, because reality is, if one person is looking for the answer to a question, the likelihood is there'll be others. So every time somebody goes to Google, the possibility of losing a huge amount of time is easily done. Who doesn't get distracted when you go to Google? Something pops up and all of a sudden you're off on a tangent. So what's the answer? One of the things that I say to people in my seminars, workshops, or retreats is Google can give you an answer, but it can't provide you with context. The people who can provide you with the best context of how to use something or what to do are the people in your own organisation. So next time, rather than looking outside your organisation to something like a Google for help, why not think about asking your colleagues? Maybe you even want to get together on a regular basis with your 1 or 2 favourite tips, tricks or shortcuts and share them with each other. You don't know what you don't know is one of my mottos. Well, what don't you know that maybe someone else in your organisation knows today?